Today we're going to quickly review a sample project from the past search. B, local experts. They've got 5 experts they contacted, 1 per person. These are the questions they asked. Apple Computers, Yes Computer, AT&T, iFix here at the Holyoke Mall. These are their patent pictures. They have a little critique on each patent, kind of a clever way to do that. It just talks about why it's relevant. These are previous solutions. They have pros and cons. Design criteria. These were their original design criteria that they had. They had 6 because they had 3 members. Technical specifications, form, function, materials, aesthetics, ergonomics, and cost. These all have some sort of way of comparing them quantitatively. So this form one would be a size question. The function would be something they could test to see if it works. These materials, they could see whether it can survive 50 falls from hip height. The aesthetics, this is something you have to figure out with by showing people and getting their feedback. Same thing for the ergonomics and the cost. You can just show the total price of the materials involved. This is something called a decision matrix. These criteria can be technical specifications. In our case, they will be. So idea 1, previous solutions. You can see there's 4 of those. You're going to take your 4 previous solutions that you found, and you're going to take your 8 technical specifications, write them in here. You're going to rate each of the 4 previous solutions on that. You come over here, and this is called a weighting. This is a number that says how important the things are. 10 would be the most important, 5 would be the middle, 1 would be the least important. These don't have to be 1 through 10. They could be any numbers you want, but they're going to multiply the importance of each of your criteria. Like maybe looks is like a 2, let's say if you're doing chainsaws, but then safety could be like a 10, right? Because you'd want the safety to count a lot more than the looks, I assume. Now, I've set up little formulas in some of these spots like this. You see it says sum B17, B26. Down here, B17 to B26, this is multiply B3 times M3. So let's look at what that's doing. B3 is this cell, 2 times M3. 2 times 2 is 4, right? This is adding up all of these. So it's a total of points of the first idea where each criterion is rated and multiplied by how important it is, which is known as its weight. You will have to do some clever manipulation of dragging things around and whatnot to get them to be all in the right spot. Your next step is to conduct a survey. You can see there's a bunch of questions here, and then you send out a Google form, and it shows that your criteria are useful to the general populace. You need to have at least 17 people respond. So I'll flick through their survey real quick. You can see they made these nice little things. Google makes those for you.